Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm here to talk about a slick little detail in the M4 engine bay. If you've got front mount intakes like I do, you probably wondered why there's 2 empty spots right here. The commonly asked question is, why does it look like that? And then I'm stuck trying to defend why my M4 engine bay has holes. Well, I'm here to tell you, this is totally intentional and we've got a solution. So follow me, let's fill these holes. At first glance, it's very nice. On a more serious note, it is very nice. Now, ARMA SPEED is known for their elegant craftsmanship, but this has taken it to another level. I mean, cameraman, zoom in on this. The carbon fiber is perfectly woven. It's nothing faux, it's nothing fake or pretend. This is the real deal. And I love this little padded area that they've added to it. I can't wait. I mean, I cannot wait to see what this looks like in my engine bay. So let's go get it installed.